Smoant Pasito with the RBA head, or rebuildable coil, whatever you want to call it. Stick around. Dan the Man here. Welcome back to the channel. The Pasito. I was very excited to get this. It was sent to me by my friends at healthcabin.net. They're always having superb deals and things happening. If you missed Black Friday or Cyber Monday or the 2 weeks leading up to it, they were having some badass deals. If you watched any of my videos, you know that by now. Okay then. I was excited to get this. I couldn't wait to get it. Unfortunately, the RBA didn't come with it, so I had to purchase it separate and then wait for it to come. Now I know a lot of, maybe not all of you, but some of you will tease me. I can handle the pressure, believe me. Tease away. I already know how much a dork I am, so you're not gonna hurt my feelings. Do I ever drink coffee in my videos? No. But damn, I wanted. Oh, it was so good. I'm a super taster, okay? That's where the trouble comes in. Wait, I haven't even told you what trouble. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm giving it away. So whoever wants it, leave a message. It's yours. If there's more than one person that wants it, then I'll roll the dice. I don't use that website. I roll dice. Here's one, but the other one went flying not too long ago. Ah, I guess I picked it up. 7-Eleven! Anywho. Yeah. Right. Yeah, I'm totally focused today. I don't even know what in the world I was talking about. If I didn't have this in my hand, I wouldn't even know we were talking about the Pasito. Okay, so Michelle Hughes. On ELR, she goes by author Michelle Hughes, okay? She left a post about this taste buds and fascinating stuff. I've already read it several times. Did the test like 4 or 5 times already, just to be sure, because I didn't believe that I'm a super taster. I don't want to be a super taster, damn it. Excuse me. You can train your taste buds though, okay people? That is possible. I counted 54 of the taste buds in that little circle on my tongue. That's too many, my friends. Too many. So that means I can taste that plastic in there, and I hate it. Damn, I hate it. Because this, man, this had the potential to be a good device. There are cons to it. Am I going to get into them? But I don't. Why should I? What's the point? Go watch a different video. They'll give you all the pros and cons that you want. I'm only focusing on the cons right now because I don't like the damn thing. Because I can taste the god blasted plastic that they used in here. If they would have used a food grade plastic, it would have raised the price. I get that. I would have preferred it, because then I wouldn't be tasting that plastic in here. It's wretched. I don't know what to say, man. Now, you non-tasters and average tasters got it lucky, okay? maybe the non-tasters don't have it that lucky. But the average tasters are very, very lucky because you're not going to taste that. I couldn't figure out why not one. I watched a lot of reviews. Oh my god, a lot. Maybe that's why I don't want to go into it. Because damn, I'm saturated with it. Excuse me, I watched, and not one of them mentioned the taste. Not one. I understand that us super tasters are the minority. And I wish I didn't taste it, man. I had that issue with another mod. You guys remember that one? That was the micro. But I was able to get the smell to go away. But not on this. I had it all apart. Soaked it in different chemicals in front of the fan, in the heater. I tried everything. It ain't going away. And I can't vape on it. Because I can taste that plastic. It's my 2 cents. Who wants it? Ah. Darn it. I wish this had an RBA head. I really like that little bugger. Really, I do. I'm not buying coils. I don't have the want to. I don't even have the want to buy coils. I want to build my own damn coils. That's why I wanted this. So, this is a no-go for me. Giving it away. Who wants it? You can have it. It won't come with coils. I can make a bunch of... you know what? Whoever gets this, I'll make 10 coils to go with this. They're going to be round wire, and it'll be 28 gauge. It came out 5 wraps, spaced, came out to 0.8 ohms. I don't know what to do from here except for that's that, my friends. Now, because I don't like it, that's not going to change the fact that that's a good device. Yeah, I can't do it. I just can't do it again. Anywho, this is Danaman signing out. Truly, you guys, get in on this. Get this thing for yourself with the RBA head. As long as you don't mind paying shipping and buying yourself some coils for it, if that's what you want to do. You will have this RBA head. You know what? You know what I'll do with the RBA head? Okay, now this coil, this mouth to lung one, or I mean the direct lung one, I only used it for like 5 puffs. And I used blue raz in it. So, I'll send this along with some blue raz liquid at whatever nicotine level you want. We can do salt nick if you want, or we can do the traditional nick. Your choice. Standing Man signing out. Peace, my brothers and sisters.